Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to change Xero email address. We'll walk through how to add a new email address for sending documents from your Xero organization, and I'll share a few tips to make sure everything works smoothly. Before you start, make sure you're signed into Xero and that you have permission to change organization settings. First, open Xero and head to your organization's homepage. If you work with multiple organizations, use the organization selector at the top left of the screen to pick the correct one. In this demo, you'll see an example organization, but you should choose the one you actually manage. Once you're on the dashboard, go to Settings. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a gear icon or a settings option in the menu. Inside Settings, look for Email Settings. This is where Xero stores the sending addresses and names that appear on invoices, quotes, and other communications. On the Email Settings page, click Edit to enable changes. You'll then see an option to add a new sender, so click the button that says Add Email Address. This opens a small form where you can enter the details for the new address. Type in the email you want to use for sending. Take a moment to double check spelling. Typos here can cause delivery failures or bounce backs. It's often best to use a shared or role-based mailbox like an accounts or billing address so your customers always see a consistent send to sender. Next, enter the name you want recipients to see. This could be your business name or a team name that clearly identifies who the email is from. Keep it professional and recognizable to help with trust and deliverability. When you're happy with the details, click Add Email to save it. Xero may send a confirmation to the address you've just added. If that happens, open that inbox and approve the verification so the address can be used for sending. If you don't see the message within a few minutes, check your spam or junk folder. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you can't find the settings or email settings option, you might not have the necessary permissions. Reach out to your organization's subscriber or administrator. After adding the address, you can select it when sending documents or adjust your branding and templates so that the preferred sender appears by default. And if your business uses custom email domain protections, make sure your IT setup supports sending from this address to avoid emails landing in spam. That's it. Your new email address is now ready to use in Xero.